Friends, there are two types of people in this world. First, those who want to look rich, and second, those who want to be rich. In this video, you will know who you are, but at the same time, you will know that what secret do rich people know, due to which he is rich, and due to which he is getting rich day by day. Now understand my point a little carefully. First of all, we see what a man does to make himself rich. He gives all his time to become rich. He does everything to become rich from where he can get money. Now look, he gave time. After that, money came to him instead of time. Now money has come, but after money comes, what he does with that money is very important. Now he buys some things with money which he has dreamed of since childhood, because he is poor first. Then he thinks that I will buy expensive house. Then he buys expensive car, and then buys many expensive things. But the biggest mistake you make is this. Now understand carefully what that mistake is. You have given time to earn money, but with that money you have bought something which will ask you money back just to run that thing. Now suppose you bought a car. When you have bought a car, you will drive it, and when you drive it, you will have to put petrol and diesel in it, and for that too money has to go out of your pocket. And still the expenses are not going to stop here, because the car will need servicing after 1 year. The more expensive the car, the more expensive its service will be. But friends, a rich person never makes this mistake. He invests his money in such a place from where he can get more money in future. And such things are called assets. Well, friends, there can be many assets which can give you lifetime money. But let me explain you with an example. Suppose a man earned money and saved them, and he had very good knowledge of share market. He invested his money in the stock market. Now suppose there was a huge growth in the stock market in 2020, in which the price of Reliance's share was around 14, and after the next 1 year, the price of Reliance's share was around $28. If someone would have bought $1 million shares of Reliance Company in the year 2020, then in the year 2021 he would have got $2 million. It means he got a profit of 50% in just 1 year. In this way, the rich man invests in the stock market, or any such place such as mutual funds, or invests to buy property, where he can get more money back. But now you would think that they will be very stingy, or those people do not enjoy in their life. Then friends, it is not like that at all. Rich people enjoy their life to the fullest because they keep getting money from these assets. Friends, all the money you earn in the beginning, invest that money in such a place from where you will get more money in future. Then friends, that's all for today, but if you want to know about many more assets to invest money or want to do online earning money without doing anything, then do not forget to comment below. We will bring you the next video on the same topic, and subscribe our channel to get our video first, and also like the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.